Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. Daggone, you've been warned. Here I come. Daggone. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Bye. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Yeah, you're welcome. Bang, we have a great show for you today. Bang, all right. We have a great daggone one today. What is that, 7 in the morning? Look, I know. We had those playoffs last night, NBA playoffs. You see that shit? What? You see the Clippers, man, come back from 25 points down in the third? What? Oh, yeah. All manner of drinking and smoking had to go on, so I couldn't do the show last night. You know how it goes, brothers. You know where I live, brothers. Look. But here I be. Here I is. I am here. And we are going to rock this motherfucker. So let's go. All right. So we got an onboarding. Can you guess who it is? Let me hum the tune and let's see if you can get it. You get it? You know who it is, boys. Look, you know who that daggone is. Chainlink to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. All right, let's get a little more serious now. All right, I'm having a good time now because I had a nice nap. I had a nice sleep after the games. That's why it's 7 in the morning. So I had to sober up, have a good little sleep. All right. Avalanche integrates Chainlink. Bang, we're going to read about that. Oh, and now we got some money talks, though. Yes. Banking giant BBVA is going to offer Bitcoin trading for its Swiss clients. Bang, we're going to get into that. And then Goldman Sachs. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I forgot it's with Galaxy Digital. Hold on. All right, let me write it down. One second. So Goldman Sachs is offering Bitcoin futures, and Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz's shop over there, he's going to provide the liquidity for them. So, all right, so big banking, big integrations. Look, let's get to it. Bang. Let's do a little bit of bang. Let me make sure you can see this. All right. Still paranoid after the other day. All right. Let's fucking refresh this motherfucker and get some new numbers. Bang. 35.8. All right, let's go. All right. Price of Bitcoin. $35,856. Well, if yesterday we're at $38,002. So we have gone down. I can shit Bitcoin, man. Can you just behave for once, just for a little bit? All right, so we've gone down $2,146. $2,146 down since yesterday. Bitcoin. You silly little sausage. I used to have a piano tutor. I used to have tutors that would come to my house when I was a kid. And she'd call me a silly little sausage when I'd get shit wrong. Look, Bitcoin, you silly little sausage. Let's go. All right. Top 10 of the day, folks. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Uniswap. Let's look at the market moves. Look, as you can see. Daggone it. Signal this up, signal this down. Get these sales while you can. Signal this up, signal this down. It's taking a while. But when we get the next pulse, shit, if you're not priced out yet, you will be. So you better get it. Whoa. This bug flew right in my face. You will be. So you better get it before we get to the next pulse. Blah. Accumulate. Oh, leave each chain. Daggone. Bumbaras. All right, signal this up, signal this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down too. Well, it's pretty much just sickle this down everywhere. But anyway, we got to just say it how we say it. Sickle this up, sickle this down. All right, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because buy. It's on sale. What the sale's looking like. Buy. This AMP thing finally took a breather, huh? Holy, that thing's been rocking and rolling. Oh, I found out. Because it got listed on Coinbase. That's why it was rocking and roaring all week. I was like, what the fuck is this thing? I haven't read any onboardings or anything. And you guys know when I do this show, I go through 23 websites a day to do this show for my research. And so, believe me, if anything has done something, I hear about it. I didn't hear one thing, and I was like, what the fuck is this thing? And then finally, yesterday, I saw AMP on Coinbase. I was like, that's why that motherfucker went up so much. All right. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you can't get by me. You know, I researched this shit, so I was like, what the fuck? All right, anyways, man, let's go. Look, top 10 losers of the day. AMP, Curve DAO tokens, Siacoin, Thorchain, Sinfin Network, Kusama, Near Protocol, Helium, Internet Computer, and Qtum. Look at that Internet Computer thing, man. Wow. Wow, right? Remember a couple weeks ago? What was it, like 3 weeks ago where it sort of popped on the scene? Right? It was at 140 something. Look at it now. Man, that thing has been in a heavy bleed. A heavy bleed for the past weeks. But I tell you, it's going to do something. So, because some real companies are actually going to build on this thing. And so, that must be just some dumb money weekending and getting out. But don't be afraid to. What I would do is if you want to get into this thing, Internet Computer, I don't tell anyone to do with their money, but if I was going to get into it, I'd let this motherfucker just roll and bleed out for a little while. Yeah, till we get to some nice rock solid bottoms. Yeah, and then buy a whole shit ton of it. All right. Because it is going to be something. It is going to be something. Like real companies are actually going to use this thing. Are going to use that thing. I told you guys already before. But all right, anyway, look. Let's see who made money today. Bang. Yeesh, holy, these games. Oh, we're doing this thing. Okay. Yeah, stable coin time. Look, top 10 gainers. Quant, Shiba Inu, Theta Fuel, Revain, Tether, Binance USD, USD Coin, Trust USD, HUSD, and DAI. All right. The usual. What are we doing here? Holy schmoly. Really? That gone. Total market cap, 1.495 trillion dollars. Trillion dollars. $1 trillion. It's only $1.49. All right. That's silly. All right, look. 1.495. And when I left yesterday, we were at $1.582 trillion. So we've gone down. Wait. Sorry. $0.087 trillion. Yeesh. All right, let's look at the 24-hour volume. Fucking still under 100 billion, daggone. Maybe CoinMarketCap, they changed their, because they sometimes change how they calculate stuff. Anyway, whatever, man. All right. 24-hour volume is $83.5 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $80.17 billion or $80.1 billion. So we have gone up $3.4 billion. All right, let's check out the stories. Bah! Check them out. Box. There we go. Avalanche integrates Chainlink price feeds and Sushi Swap. So it's sort of like you could look at this multiple ways. It's sort of like a triple onboarding. Avalanche gets benefit because they've had the Chainlink price feeds. Chainlink gets a benefit because, well, They've onboarded another one, done another rescue operation, and I guess Sushi Swap benefits because, well, it's just part of this whole thing right here too. So, y'all know about Chainlink. If you're new or you don't know, Chainlink is an Oracle provider. It brings off-chain data on-chain. So you want to build a smart contract, you want to build a distributed app, but you need some real-time data from somewhere out there, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, wherever. Well, Chainlink will use Chainlink, and it gives your contract, your smart contract, or your distributed app, the real-time data for it, right? It's secure, trusted, and reliable. All right. So that's why we always say, Chainlink to the rescue. Look, Chainlink to the rescue. Avalanche and Sushi Swap, you got a blockchain. No data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, you're looking sad and blue. Settle down, boys. Bye. Called Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. So, Chainlink comes to the rescue. Always brings the data. Real-time off-chain data. All right. Non-manipulated. So let's check it out. All right. So the ecosystem of leading open source platforms is witnessing remarkable growth as more decentralized finance applications and enterprise blockchain are launching on the platform. Avalanche, via an official blog post, announced the integration of Chainlink price feeds, the most widely used decentralized price oracles in DeFi, on its testnet. Chainlink. If Chainlink were going to go out of business tomorrow, yeah, that'd be the end of DeFi. Everyone's using this. Chainlink has hundreds of DeFi onboardings already. So as a result of the integration, Avalanche developers will now have access to high-quality, tamper-proof price reference data of digital currencies. They will also have access to data of other asset classes, such as foreign exchange rates, stablecoins, commodities, among others. Okay. So Avalanche is described as a platform of platforms because it consists of thousands of subnets that form an interoperable network of many blockchains. The platform revealed that the integration was facilitated by a Chainlink community grant awarded by Protofire. Protofire is a development workshop and Avalanche validator. The leading open source platform also disclosed that after the initial testnet launch, it will also adapt, test, and implement Chainlink oracles natively into the mainnet. Furthermore, Chainlink price feeds integration can secure key on-chain functions of DeFi smart contracts. This includes determining collateralization ratios, triggering liquidations, determining yield and staking rates, establishing fair prices for minting, and for asset swaps. Notably, the Chainlink price feeds currently available on Avalanche testnet will be available on AVAX USD, Link USD, Ethereum USD, Link ETH, and BTC ETH, and USDT USD. However, the platform noted that consequently, more are set to be released. So they're going to add more. All right. Avalanche and Chainlink to build scalable, cheap DeFi applications. Avalanche, in its statement, explained that Chainlink price feeds integration will enable developers to build highly scalable DeFi applications. Chainlink price feeds source data exclusively from numerous premium data aggregators. Therefore, the price feeds reflect accurate global market prices of all exchanges, DEXs and CEXs, while protecting user funds against unexpected situations. Wow. It doesn't protect the funds. It just gives you the price data, and you better make the right trades. Anyways, Chainlink further pointed out its delight with the partnership, noting that it would enable more rapid DeFi development on Avalanche ecosystem. we plan to help facilitate the launch of more Chainlink price feeds as a means of further growing the Avalanche DeFi ecosystem, as well as building additional Chainlink Oracle implementations in the future that go beyond DeFi and price feeds, it said. So SushiSwap launching on Avalanche. Meanwhile, SushiSwap, the largest automated market-making decentralized exchange by total value, has also been integrated on the Avalanche blockchain. The Ethereum-based software will offer users premium trading venue in Avalanche's rapidly growing DeFi ecosystem. This allows users to perform core swaps and liquidity mining just like they already do with SushiSwap on Ethereum. However, this time around with lower fees and faster transaction finality. Joseph DeLong, CTO of SushiSwap, noted that the platform was looking forward to the deployment of Sushi on Avalanche. DeLong stated that it is an important step towards TVL, liquidity, and volume expansion. Additionally, it's worth noting that in the past 3 weeks, the TVL within Avalanche-based AMMs has grown by 169%. Avalanche continues to integrate more applications and tools to help improve the user experience for all DeFi users. All right, hold on. How much more is this shit? All right, here we go. So AVAX and sushi prices. All right, well, we don't talk about price here yet. Not till the tsunami. So, bye. There you go, Chainlink hodlers. Bye. And I guess Avalanche hodlers too. Bang. And, yeah, this is good shit. The usual price feeds from Chainlink. So, it looks like Avalanche is going to use Chainlink on their test net for now. And then roll it out on the main net. And then they said... What'd they say? They had, hold on, what'd they say again about the currency pairs? They're going to start with, the currency pairs they're going to start with will be AVX USD, Link USD. Can you guys see this? Let me make sure you can see this. All right. Link USD, Ethereum USD, Link Ethereum, Bitcoin Ethereum, and USDT USD. So, and then the platform said that they're consequently going to, there will be more are set to be released. So, bang! Chainlink hodlers! Oh, yeah. And I know a bunch of you own Chainlink in my chat and my subscribers. So, bang, bang, bang. All right. That's all you can say about that one. You know how I do. You know how Chainlink be. You know how they get down. All right, let's move to the next. All right, let's get to the big money now. Bang! Banking giant. BBVA debuts Bitcoin trading and custody for Swiss clients. So, BBVA is a mega bank, obviously. Well, if you don't know, from Spain. So that's in the European Union. And they're going to offer these services for their Swiss clients. And so, as you all know, we've been reading here, I mean, Switzerland is just going crypto crazy. Right? The SIX stock exchange. How many ETPs have we read on the Swiss stock exchange over there? About 10 at least, right? Maybe 10 to 15 since 2019, right? And so no surprise you're offering it to your Swiss clients. Something must be going on in Europe that they're not offering it to European Union clients. Anyway, I don't know what the thing is about that, but yeah, guys. So here we go. So another bankster comes into play. And so I want to tell you guys something, you know, even though the price of Bitcoin is just bouncing around in the 30s, 30,000 to 39,000, just bouncing around in there. Remember this. All of this other infrastructure is being built, right? And so don't lose sight of that. It's not the price of these assets. Well, they do matter because that's how we're going to make our money. You and I, we're going to make our money from, well, when these things go up in value. But I want you to be happy that even though the price is just hovering around, it's called price consolidation. In the real markets, we call that price consolidation. In other words, there's support and resistance. There's support at the 30,000. It's not going to go below 30. Well, we'll see. But so far it's shown it's not going to go below 30. But it's also shown, I mean, it went up to 64, but now that we're in consolidation mode, it's shown that, especially this week, we're also not going to get above 40. So we're in what's called a range, right? It's called a range where you've got support and resistance within a range. So the range of Bitcoin is 30,000 to 40,000, and it just keeps bouncing around inside of that range. And well, while it's pausing, and while the market is pausing, now's the time to accumulate. Now is the time to accumulate. Build your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Build your cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And fill it with revenue-generating product before price. Because once price breaks support, resistance, right? This is support, right? It supports the price. And this is resistance. Price is resisted there, right? That's called support and resistance. Well, once price breaks resistance, well, then usually resistance becomes support. And then you go to the next level. So that would be between the 50s. In normal markets, obviously this is cryptocurrency, so it's a whole different thing. But so accumulate, guys. Every paycheck, bang, you put more money in and buy the crypto you want. Because eventually, well, you break resistance. And then, as you can see from Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, they all go down. So we always look at the Bitcoin price because it sort of rules the market. For those who love decentralization so much, wow, this is a centralized market, like a motherfucker. And so while we're just bouncing around the 30s in the Bitcoin price, accumulate, guys. Accumulate. All right, so, but look, hold on. Why did I say all that? I don't know, but look, I said it. There it is. So look, banking giants BBVA debuts Bitcoin trading and custody for Swiss clients. And so they're going to provide trading and custody. I taught you what custody is. Custody is where your money really is. And while BBVA is a real bank, well, let me put it this way. A global, worldwide mega bank, and they're going to provide custody. Wow. Which means, yeah. And so again, I should put it this way. So what that means is, if I'm a hedge fund in Europe or a hedge fund in Switzerland, I will use those custody services, right? Because they are a regulated, licensed, FATF compliant bank, right? All right, so let's move on. Hold on, though. Let me get a sip first. Daggone. Look. Oh, okay. So they're offering it. So actually, let's read the byline a little bit. They're going to offer Bitcoin to its private banking clients while not providing any advisory services on crypto investments. Oh, so they're just going raw dog. That means, in other words, they're not going to have an analyst tell you what to buy. Well, it's not what to buy because it's only Bitcoin, but they're not going to have an analyst saying Bitcoin is good or bad. They're just going to be like, well, if you want it, we'll give it to you. If not, then fuck off, in a way. For its private banking clients, which is big money. Bang! Institutional clients, right? Private banking rather than, as opposed to like probably what you and I use is retail banking, right? All right. Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentaria. Holy, BBVA, Spain's second largest bank, is set to offer Bitcoin trading and custody services in Switzerland. According to a release issued on Friday, BBVA Switzerland will begin Bitcoin trading for all private banking clients interested in crypto assets from June 21st. Oh, so that's on Monday. This initial crypto trading service is only for Bitcoin, but the bank says it has plans to extend its offerings to other cryptocurrencies. But that's what we need. That's what we need. Right? Everything that we read about, all these ETFs, applications we read about, the ETPs we see getting rolled out, right? It's all Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whereas in Switzerland, MNAG, 21 shares, they actually have other ETPs of other cryptos. They've got, I think it was Ox and Ripple. They got an XRP ETP over there. There's a couple others. And so not just Bitcoin, right? Because everything we read right now, I want you to keep that in perspective. When we read about these investment vehicles from these banks, yeah, well, it's all Bitcoin and Ethereum, isn't it? Right? We need to get out of that. That's when we'll get our money, I own Bitcoin and I own Ethereum, so I'm making money, but and so do you, but all our other stuff, the V-Chains, the IOTAs, the Stellars, the Chainlinks, the Trons, the whatever, we need to have investment vehicles for those. Oh, don't worry, that's coming. It's coming. It's coming real soon. Especially when you have things like this, like BBV. Sorry. That's not true. Especially, this is true, actually. So, especially when you have banks like BBVA saying, we're going to offer more. We're going to offer different ones. And, like any other industry, you don't want to be left behind. And the banking industry is just an industry in the world, like any other fucking industry. And you don't want to be the last one standing left behind. You don't want to be the guy left behind, right? While everyone else is rip-roaring, right? And so this is great for the crypto world. Okay. Where are we at? So as part of the announcement, BBVA Switzerland revealed that the Bitcoin trading service will form part of the bank's asset investment catalog for private banking clients. Thus, customers will be able to view the performance of their Bitcoin positions alongside the rest of their portfolio. According to the statement, this in-app integration will offer simplicity for customers in terms of streamlined data for statements of accounts and tax filing purposes, among others. BBVA Switzerland also stated that customers will be able to convert between Bitcoin and fiat currencies automatically to prevent losses due to price volatility. So for BBVA Switzerland CEO Alfonso Gomez, the move represents a melding of quality banking services and innovations in the crypto asset space. So this is what he says. He says, with this innovative offer, BBVA positions itself as a benchmark institution in the adoption of blockchain technology. Bah! BBVA is massive. I know if you Americans, you don't know what it is, but I know you Europeans know what the fuck BBVA is about. But that's like a JP Morgan of Europe, a Charles Schwab of Europe, right? That's a mega, all right? And so, bang! Awesome. So regarding its decision to first introduce the product in Switzerland, BBVA highlighted the country's crypto-friendly policies as a major determining factor. Of course, fucking Switzerland is allowing, Six Exchange. How many ETPs have we read on the Swiss Stock Exchange in the past fucking year and a half? Right, there's got to be over a dozen, right, from different companies. You know how the Swiss be. They're bankers. Like I always say this here. I've said it on the show before, Switzerland is known for one thing. Well, two things. Banking and their cheese. Swiss cheese and banking. That's it. There is nothing else. You know what I mean? Those are money guys. Those are all money masters over there in Switzerland. You know what I'm saying? When you're born in Switzerland, they give you a free Bloomberg terminal. Yeah, I'm saying they give a little kid a Bloomberg terminal. That's how it is. That's how much bankster they are. They are banksters over there in Switzerland. That's a luck. Indeed, some you know what I'm saying? The wife pushes out the baby. She's screaming because the baby hurts when it comes out. Brr. And then the baby comes out. Oh, ma'am, you've got a beautiful baby boy. Yes, congratulations. And here's your Bloomberg terminal for the kid. That's how it is. That's how it is there. You get a free Bloomberg terminal with every birth. Fuck, these guys are so much into banking, Fuck, here in America, kids play on Xbox. Yeah, over there they play on Bloomberg terminals. Trading swaps and options and shit. Oh yeah, that's how they do it over there. Tell those kids do it. All right? Here in America, the kids are shooting fantasy enemies on the little video games they got. Yeah, over there. Yeah, these little kids, they're tearing up Wall Street. Yeah. Pretty much, though. Well, not little kids, but close. All right, look. Indeed, some Swiss banks. And that's why they're so rich, right? I mean, that's why they're so amazing. It's such a tiny little country. But all their daddies are banksters. And so the daddies, obviously, you tell your kid, look, kid, be an investor. You don't want your kid to be a worker bee. You want him to be an investor. And so that's what all the families keep telling the kids. So the kids just keep doing that, right? And that's why Switzerland is so amazing in the banking world, because, wow, all the mommies and daddies are banksters, and so all the kids grow up to be banksters. Kids, no, the parents aren't going to let their kids be some fucking, well, whatever. I mean, any good profession, I guess, is not bad, but, yeah. All right, let's just move on. Indeed, some Swiss banks have previously announced crypto trading services for their clients. Back in February, Bordier and Sai, a 170-year-old Swiss financial institution, partnered with the global bank Signum to offer, that's what we read yesterday, Signum Bank, right? To offer crypto trading for assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, among others. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Swiss banking giant UBS announced plan to offer limited exposure to crypto investments to some of its wealthy clients. Back in 2020, authorities in the country formalized a comprehensive set of laws for crypto and blockchain. Bang! Exactly. Comprehensive set of laws. In other words, back in 2020, September 2020, Switzerland gave their people what? Regulatory clarity. Regulatory clarity. This is how we're going to regulate it. This is what the taxes are going to be. All right, you money boys have at it. Right? And that's why it's so awesome, right? Because that's what happens when you have regulatory fucking clarity. Right? All right, so phase one of the new legal framework came into effect at the start of February. With part two expected to follow this summer. Oh. So anyways, bang! Another investment vehicle by Switzerland. Not by Switzerland, by BBVA in Switzerland. There you go, Shomari. Settle down. In Switzerland, and because Switzerland has favorable cryptocurrency regulations, as we read just right there for a second ago, in September 2020, let's read it. Back in September 2020, they came out with a comprehensive set of laws. A comprehensive set of laws around the distributed ledger technology cryptocurrency space. And that's what we're waiting for in America. That's what we're waiting for in Europe. That's what we're waiting for around the world, that each country does that now. Formalizes a comprehensive set of laws around this digital ledger technology space so that the banksters and such now know what they're able to do and not to do, and then they can come into this space. Why doesn't anyone buy my VeChain? Yeah, because they can't do it yet. They can't do it yet. All right, guys, we'll not get into that right now. Right? They're not allowed yet. They're not allowed yet. Of course, you think they're stupid? They have analysts. Those analysts in these hedge funds and big, banksters and everybody. Yeah, you don't think they know that VeChain's kicking ass? You don't think they know that Chainlink's coming to the rescue? It's VeChain. Sorry, not VeChain. Chainlink to the rescue. Of course they do. They're not stupid. That's what they call smart money. But they're not allowed to buy it yet. And I've told you a million times, because they're only allowed to buy regulated investment stuff. Regulated stuff, right? Whereas you and I, well, we could throw our money anywhere we want. But they're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to take your client's money. If I'm a hedge fund, Shomari fund, and fucking just throw my client's money into, well, definitely not yeah, I'm definitely not allowed to put it in unregulated shit. And I'm definitely not allowed to put it into some test net or something like that, right? Like, you're not allowed to do that. Like, you're just not allowed to do that. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't happen. All right, so crypto hodlers, bang. Let's move on. Bang, Goldman Sachs now. Let's have another bank here. Another mega bank. All right, BBVA is the second largest in Spain. And let's get real, they're a mega bank around the world. And then bang, Goldman Sachs. I'm sure you're all aware of who they are. Goldman Sachs to offer Bitcoin futures trading in partnership with Galaxy Digital. Bang. So here comes the futures contracts to the crypto space. And here in America. So look, let's check it out. Goldman Sachs has debuted a Bitcoin futures trading product for its clients in collaboration with crypto investment giant Galaxy Digital. According to CNBC, the move marks the first time the Wall Street Bank has partnered with a digital asset-based liquidity provider. Galaxy Digital co-president Damien Vanderwilt said the company offered a gateway to the crypto space, allowing a tightly regulated entity like Goldman Sachs, right? See? Hold on, fuck. Right? Tightly regulated. Okay, all that Wolf of Wall Street stuff, that's not the reality, okay? Tightly regulated entity like Goldman to offer crypto-related investment products. Goldman will reportedly be offering CME Group Bitcoin futures for its clients, marking another expansion of its recently established crypto trading desk. The move follows swiftly on the heels of earlier announcements by the bank about debuting an Ether futures and options. So futures and options trading. Those are derivatives. I'm not going to get into all that now. So for Vanderwilt, Goldman offering BTC futures trading will help to onboard more institutional investors into the crypto investment space, which the Galaxy executive argued will help to reduce price volatility. Vanderwilt also remarked that the move would serve as an example to other Wall Street banks that crypto exposure is possible. But, of course, when Goldman Sachs does this, was it Goldman Sachs? Yes, Goldman Sachs. Couldn't remember. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, who is it? Yeah, well, when Goldman Sachs does this, bang. Indeed, as previously reported by Cointelegraph, the demand for crypto exposure appears to be growing on Wall Street, with some banks recently announcing plans to establish trading desks for the novel asset class. Oh, yeah, get them trading desks fired up. Get them fucking traders going. Max Minton, Goldman Sachs head of digital assets for the Asia-Pacific region, stated that offering Bitcoin futures trading was part of the bank's goal of providing access to its clients' preferred assets. Adding, in 2021, this now includes crypto. But this now includes crypto. Right? In 2021, the clients want the crypto. Big clients, big money. Bang! I told you there's a tsunami coming. Daggone. We are pleased to have found a partner with a broad range of liquidity venues and differentiated derivatives capabilities spanning the cryptocurrency ecosystem. All right, but here's a little something. Despite the impending announcement from the bank, several Goldman figures are still reportedly not sold on Bitcoin as an investable asset class. I know, yesterday they came out with this report. Some people in Goldman Sachs are like, let's go with the crypto. And then some people in Goldman Sachs are like, look, this is bullshit. Which, happens with any issue. Some people like abortion, some are anti-abortion. Some are pro-gay, some are anti-gay, right? Like, in every issue in the world, there's always someone against the shit, right? And so they're no different. So earlier in June, the bank's commodities chief argued that Bitcoin was more similar to a risk-on asset like copper rather than an inflation hedge like gold. So I've taught you about risk-on and risk-off. Okay, so he says that Bitcoin is a risk-on asset. It is. It's a total risk-on asset. If you're going risk-off, you're not going to buy fucking Bitcoin. Risk-on and risk-off. I've taught you about that here before. Whoops. Hold on. Sorry. What's going down here? Sorry. I've taught you about risk-on, risk-off. It's what hedge funds, big banksters and that, when you're on a risk-on, when you're in a risk-on environment, they invest in riskier assets. The more risk you take is the more money you make out of the goodie room. That's how the goodie room works. And so bonds, which are the least risky asset in the whole goodie room and all of, okay, let's talk like adults, and all of the financial system in the world, yeah, that's why you make the least. Yeah, but it's the safest. So that's what billionaires, Bill Gates, Bezos, all these guys, believe me, they invest in bonds because it's guaranteed money. All these other things, derivatives in Forex, like I trade, or stocks, or swaps, options, and all that, those are considered risk assets. So when you go risk on, that's when the hedge fund master, all right, let's talk else. When the hedge fund manager will tell his trading desks, get us into all the good shit. But when they go risk off, yeah, they sell all that shit. They liquidate all of that, and they head to bonds, right? So risk on, risk off. So this guy says that BTC was more similar to a risk on asset. Yeah, it's risky as fuck. Of course it is. It loses thousands of dollars a day. I just read right now, we're down today from yesterday, $2,146. There is no asset that moves like that. So that's a risk-on asset like a motherfucker. All right, let's move on. And so learn that. That's deep shit. Risk on, risk off. That's deep shit. Okay, that's market player talk. Okay, that's how we talk to each other. You know what I mean? So learn about that, little miscreants. Look, risk on, risk off. But bang, Goldman Sachs is going to offer Bitcoin futures trading in partnership with Galaxy Digital. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Bang. All right, let's move on. Well, let's not just move on quite yet, but let me just say this, right? And so when Goldman Sachs offers stuff like this, yeah, well, they're one of the mega banks in the world, right? And so it shows all the other banksters like, man, we better get in. If I'm a little Shomari Bank here in South Beach and I see Goldman doing this, I'm like, yo, dogs, let's get into this game quick, right? Let's get in. Goldman's doing it. You know what I'm saying? You know how the world works. You look at what the stronger guys, the bigger guys do, and then you copy it, pretty much. All right, let's move on. But what we got here? Whoops. There we go. Grunstable. Larva the Zebra, though. Bang. Wait, what do you have? You have a new thing now? Ha! Cash poor, crypto rich. I know, it is fucked up, isn't it? It is fucked up like that. But look, that's how it's got to be for a little while till we get the tsunami. Larva the Zebra, though. Bang. Yeah. Count your pennies while you're at the store. Meanwhile, you've got a fucking Ledger Nano full of fucking millions of dollars worth of crypto. I know, it's weird. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Larva the Zebra. Bang. What are you talking about? CFH. He's changing his stuff all the time. I don't know what that is. All right. What's he talking about? Look. Kong's keeping it simple today. He's just saying, look, boom. Let's check out little Piggy Wiggy. I guess big Piggy Wiggy. Bang. What's he got going on here? Look. Boom. Avalanche integrates Chainlink. Look. Boom. Banking giant BBVA trading for Swiss clients. Boom. Goldman Sachs Bitcoin futures. Look. Boom. Invest wisely, folks, and your bank account and your crypto account will look like boom. Oh, yeah. Big old boom. Bang. Serve up that chicken. Piggy Wiggy's coming to get it. Boom. All right, let's move on. What do we got? Bubble Hash Cowboy. Love it. See with the bang. I read your thing earlier. Yeah, hi, my friend. I used to follow you years ago under a different name. Moon Landing 420. I remember you, bro. I remember you, 420. Yeah. Well, glad to see you're back after a few years. Hope all is well and you got rich. Wow. Let me put it this way. The gains are nice. But the gains aren't where they're supposed to be yet. But yes, made a few million. But I'm waiting for the tsunami. I want to feel that. So I'm just hodling. And we're going to feel that. So good to see you back, though, bro. Moon Landing 420. Yeah, I remember that. Yo, hit me up to get into the chat room. You know, I got a chat room here. So hit me up and you can talk to all the boys that were back when you were back here. All right, level Z with a bang. And then bang. There you go. Oh, and then you followed me. Nice. What, you mean you just followed me now, motherfucker? All right, brother. Let's move on. Whoop. Who we got here? Sunny Beep. Spy Lady. Lovey Lady, C Lady. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love with Z with a bang. Fire Buddy. Love with Z with a bang. Technically bullish with the laser eyes. Love with Z with a bang. Banium. Connecting the dots. Love with Z with a bang. Universal Misanthrope. Look, our loyalists from Central Europe holding down the insurgency. Yes. Commanding our sleeper cells in Central Europe until it's time to reveal ourselves. Look, until we build our caliphate of love. Bye. Overthrow governments and build the caliphate of love. Oh, yeah. Live with Z with a bye. 007, son of a bitch. Bye. 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 Got you wrong, Kaz. Got you again. Look. Wrong, Kaz. Son of a bitch. You know, I got you, though. You know, I'm laughing, but I got you. You know I got you. Look. Love a Z brother. Don't save ya. Bang. Oh, yeah, he knows I got him, though. He knows I got him. All right, Andrew Racheda. Look, the enforcer. Look, fuck sticks. Blah. The juice is worth the squeeze. Settle down. Settle down. But I don't want to wait anymore, Mr. Racheda. I can't take this. It's been 3 years I've had my money in crypto. Blah. Settle down. Hodl. The juice is worth the squeeze. That's how Andrew deals with them. Any miscreants who getting out of hand, trying to betray the cause. Blah. Settle down. Juice worth the squeeze. Andrew, love with you with a bang. Deep Entertainment, look. So, brother. Love with you with a bang. Radster, he's holding down the Eastern European insurgency. Yes. Love with you with a bang. KJ Gatsby, love with you with a bang. Roy Stoke, love with you with a bang. Oh, yeah. All right. So got the insurgents and everybody ready. All right, what are we doing now? That looks like everybody. Oh, what's Misanthrope's talking about? CB News, what, Misanthrope? Chili's for the win. Yeah, fucking right they are for the win. Oh, hey, those guys, that Chili's thing, think about, like, they've onboarded in major sports leagues around the world and they onboard the best. You know, like they're not onboarding like the little shitty teams of the league. They're onboarding the best. And this Chili's concept is just amazing, you know, allowing your what is it called? Fan interaction with the team, right? The teams make money, Chili's makes money. I mean, the fans are happy. It's an awesome thing, and they do it for sports. And so, you know, like I always say, when I read about Chili's, like, well, every fucking country in the world has sports. Well, every sports has teams, and every team has fans. You can be the shittiest, dog shittest team in the world. Yeah, here in America, we got a team in the NFL. They're called the New York Jets. Shit. Yeah, well, you know what happens, though? Every week when they go play, their stadium is full. Yeah, I actually think to myself, why the fuck would you pay $40 to go watch your team just get their ass kicked? You know, people do it, though. You know, I don't know. But they do it, though. And so Chili's has a never-ending amount of sports leagues, sports teams, to tap into, you know. So, like I said yesterday, you know, I don't tell people what to do with their money, but Chili's should be in your portfolio. And if it is, well, don't be afraid to accumulate more. Much more. You know what I'm saying? Like, there, you know, there's hundreds of countries in the world, thousands of leagues in the world, and thousands of teams in the world on board. I mean, it's endless. All right, anyways, though, so Chili's for the win. You daggone right, Mr. Thrope. Bang. And then we did that yesterday. All right, let's get back to the Death Star. All right, guys, so we had a great show for you today. Of course we did. It's the greatest show in the multiverse. So, you know, being down here on Earth, well, it's greater than anything down here. All right, so look. Let's get to the stories. Avalanche integrates Chainlink. So, you know how it does. You know how they do. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Let's say it. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain, no data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, sad and blue. Settle down, son. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. And that's how it does. That's how they do. That's how they be. That's how they get down. So they're going to rescue Avalanche, integrate their price thing. So, all right, let's get serious now. So Avalanche is going to integrate Chainlink on their test net first, and then they're going to release it into their main net. Obviously, Chainlink works, so that's an onboarding for sure. And also, SushiSwap was part of this thing. I don't remember. You know, whatever. So, another onboarding. So, Chainlink hodlers. Well, when smart money gets your Chainlink hodlers, don't you worry. Your Chainlinks are going to fucking fly. You're going to fucking fly. Chainlink to the rescue, probably of your account, of your portfolio. Chainlink to the rescue. All right. So, Chainlink hodlers. Well, also, I guess, Avalanche hodlers. And I guess if you own the SushiSwap hodlers, all three of you, bang! Good news. All right, let's move on. Banking giant BBVA is going to offer Bitcoin trading for the Swiss clients. And so we've read about Switzerland. Well, so let's get to the banking thing. Well, let's just say how I was going to say it. So, you know, they're in Switzerland. They are unleashing. They're allowing their banksters to unleash all the crypto on their citizens. It's not just Bitcoin, like most countries, Bitcoin and Ethereum. But Switzerland has allowed a bunch of other ones. And so, like in their banking system, right, is what I mean. And so, yeah, you know, BBVA is a mega bank. Yeah, and like again, when other banks around the world see a bank like BBVA offering services, yeah, they want to get in. They want to get in too. Banking is just another industry. You don't want to be left behind, and so great for crypto. Great for crypto. And what the guy said, what the CEO of BBVA said was that they're going to offer many more cryptos soon. So again, just great for crypto. And like I said, it's a copycat world. You don't want to see this guy over here making all this money, and you have the same capabilities he does, but you're not making the money. Of course you're going to make the fucking money, right? Why wouldn't you? Right? Well, and that's how industries work. And so BBVA is bringing legitimacy to the crypto space. Yeah, it's just awesome. It's awesome. So, great stuff for everybody, for all of us. And then finally, Goldman Sachs is going to offer Bitcoin futures with Galaxy Digital offering the liquidity. And so, well, I guess that's kind of like the BBVA thing. When you see a bank like Goldman Sachs offering these kind of services, futures contracts and stuff, well, all the other banksters around the world are like, we got to get in. We got to get in. Right? I mean, that's how it works. And so, yeah, it's just great stuff. Yeah, I guess, there's nothing else to say. I just said it to you with the BBVA thing. Offers legitimacy. Goldman Sachs, motherfucker. I mean, come on. It shows the world this shit is here to stay. Get on board or get left behind. This is the future. This is the future. This is the future, and this is the space to play. This is the hot space to play. You have an asset that goes up. Well, we went down today to $2,146. Yeah, we also go up sometimes $2,000 and change, right? So it's the hot place to play, and it's legit. It's here to stay, and get on board or get left the fuck behind. So look, on that note, let's shill it. Bang, let's kill it. Bang, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yes. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So, thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Look. But until then, subscribe here. Bang. Press the bell. Watch that video there. Bang. Greatest in the multiverse. Get your mind right. Get your mind right, boy. And look, I'll see y'all tomorrow. So look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always watching our money, and I am, bang, always on duty. Oh, yeah. Love you guys. Yes. Over and out.